Hey, so if your Trello notifications aren't working, yeah, that can be a big problem, especially if you're missing important updates from your team. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to get your notifications working again. First, uh, go to your Trello notification settings. Make sure notifications are actually enabled for activity, mentions, and updates. Next, check your email preferences. If email notifications are turned off, you won't receive updates in your inbox. Now, this is important. Make sure you're watching the cards or boards. Trello only sends notifications for items you're involved in or watching. If you're on mobile or desktop, check your device settings. Notifications might be disabled at the system level. Also, make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode isn't turned on. These can block notifications completely. If you're using the app, check for updates. Outdated versions can cause notification issues. Another quick fix: log out of Trello and log back in. This refreshes your account settings and can restore notifications. And finally, check your spam or promotions folder if you're missing email notifications. Sometimes they end up there by mistake. So, yeah, that's how to fix Trello notifications not working. Once everything is set correctly, you won't miss any important updates again. If this helped, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.